Hi, this is a pods job associated with gun safe job too. We're gonna load these pods. You guys are gonna see along the day. Let me show you what we have here, at least on the ground floor of the house. You guys can come up. You guys can start putting down these other boxes, please. Tables. We got this assemble here, a pool table too. We got patio furniture. There is a lot of stuff. I'm not even sure everything is gonna fit into pods because we have a garage loaded with equipment and everything. Here is the garage. It's a lot of fun. Let's do it. We set up ramps. Here are the containers.